Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today official trailer of the movie Dil Bechara got released on YouTube.
Yeah, so we have late Sushant Singh Rajput,
Yes.
Sanjana Sanghi, Mukesh Chhabra and A.R. Rahman in this movie.
Yes.
So we all know that Sushant Singh Rajput is not with us anymore. So
वो
I am
हमारा
feeling
one of
very
the
bad
favorite
actually.
actor थे और
So
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है उन
कि वो नहीं है,
नहीं
ये
है।
मूवी रिलीज हो
आज
गया और वो नहीं है
अप्रोक्सीमेटली आज 3 वीक खत्म हो गए।
फिर भी लगता है कि कल का ही बात है।
स्टिल हम
मतलब we
बिलीव
cannot
नहीं कर पाते
हाँ,
हैं
we
अभी
cannot
भी
believe
कि
it.
वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है।
Several times I have talked with Abhay that can it be possible that he will again come back and this all news is a fake news, like can it be happened? But unfortunately this cannot be happened, and this is the sad reality of the life. So yes, we have to make this movie
A great success.
a great super duper
movie.
hit, because in this way only we can show love
our
towards the legend.
Yes, and that's true.
So he is a legend, he was a legend, he will be a legend.
Yes.
Okay, for us, for all of the audiences,
Correct.
not only in India but also throughout the world.
He has
So,
done a fabulous
job
for the
for
industry
his,
as well as for a lot of the people. He has done a great job
yeah,
as well.
so he has a very short time span of career, but still he has contributed. He's 100%, he's 100%, 200%, and I think more than that.
Yes.
But
And अभी भी हम उसे बहुत 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 मिस करते हैं।
बहुत मिस करते हैं। तो खैर अभी ये ट्रेलर देख लेते हैं, और ये मूवी तो हम देखेंगे ही देखेंगे। As much as we can, we will see this movie and definitely
make it a
will,
great success to this movie.
हाँ, give review on this movie. So let's talk about more after seeing the trailer. Now let's get started with the trailer.
Yes.
मेरी नानी बचपन में अक्सर मुझे ये कहानी सुनाया करती थी। एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी। पर ऐसी कहानियाँ किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती। मेरा नाम किसी बासु है। क्यों है मत पूछो। मुझे कैंसर है।
हमारा नाम किस ने रखा किसी मेरा नाम इमानुअल राजकुमार जूनियर है। कुछ साल पहले मुझे ऑस्ट्रोसार्कोमा छू के निकल गया। बट आई एम अ फाइटर।
तुम सेफ नहीं लगते, सीरियल किलर टाइप लगते हो।
मैं सीरियल किलर, तुम सीरियल किलर, क्या छोड़िए।
सही
सरी का मतलब ओके।
हद से सही हमारा वर्ड है। पर कैंसर को हंसी और खुशी से प्रॉब्लम है।
एक था राजा, एक थी रानी, दोनों मर गए, खत्म कहानी। पर ये कहानी अधूरी, इसे पूरा वो राजा और रानी करते हैं।
रानी मुझे पेरिस जाना है। तुम मेरे हाथ के लिए जरूरी। Beats faster every time you come closer. It's not fair to him, बाबू। मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, उसे सफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
तुम्हारा इस तरह से इग्नोर करना won't change my future। जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सही किसी बात
और मैं तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं हूँ।
अभी नहीं है, कभी
कभी नहीं।
चल छुट्टी।
Okay. It was outstanding as usual,
yes,
which we
and
thought. Yeah.
पता नहीं हम क्या बोले, पता नहीं चल रहा है। ऐसा फील ही नहीं कर पा रहे कि वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है।
So let's talk about the
smiling face.
trailer. Yeah.
Yes.
So let's talk about the trailer first. It was like a movie of a cancer patient. I think
Yes.
she's dealing with cancer,
Yes.
and I think
Sushant sir
will
comes in
be,
middle, and I
हाँ,
think she will be too much sad with the news that she is having cancer, and she might
want to
die
leave, want to leave,
after
हाँ.
few months or few years.
हाँ.
But Sushant, as he comes in between, and
वो
he
पूरा अपना
makes him
जिंदगी जी लेती है,
makes
kind
him
of like
feel
that.
very happy
Very
and
happy,
very satisfied
I
with
think
his
they have,
life.
they went to Paris also as well. I think that is the
what-
dream of
yes.
the girl, and like he is helping her to fulfill all of her
Dreams. Yes.
remaining dreams. So it is a very good concept,
And I think with the other movies whatever we have
Yeah.
seen like Chichore or the MS Dhoni, in
it
this
is
movie
also having some
uh,
positive messages.
positive a lot
Yeah.
of positive message also.
Yeah.
And also Sushant sir, he will be also going to give lot of the messages
Lot
also,
of the messages.
and his dialogue
Actually,
delivery and everything will be excellent.
आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो एक्चुअली सुशांत सिंह सर का जो भी मूवीज़ होते हैं ना उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव वाइब्स
Vibes
क्रिएट
create
करते हैं,
करते हैं.
पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज एंड पॉजिटिव मैसेजेस टुवर्ड्स द सोसाइटी वो देते रहते हैं,
Exactly.
देते रहते थे, सॉरी. सो वो पहले भी छिछोरे आप देख लो, या फिर MS धोनी, या फिर कोई भी मूवी रफ्ता आप देख लो, ये मूवी भी कि if you are having some problem, some major problem in your life, just don't think about it. Leave your future, leave your present, leave your everything on that moment, and then God knows क्या होता है, क्या हो सकता है. मतलब हर किसी के साथ ही ऐसा हो सकता है कि बहुत बड़ा मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स आ गया है, लेकिन आपको जीना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. So that is this message
think,
we
right.
saw right in this trailer. So that is a beautiful trailer. This girl actually, she's a very newcomer, but she is very promising. She was
Promising,
looking
and
very promising,
she's
and
also
she has
doing
acted
a good-
brilliantly.
brilliantly, yes,
Yeah.
I would say.
So
And,
the Jodi is superb,
Super.
and
the smiling face of
Yeah.
Sushant sir,
We
we
can't
are
believe it.
going to miss always.
always, and I think यही है कि ये जिंदा रहेगा.
Right.
वो नहीं है, लेकिन उनका स्माइल, उनका एक्टिंग स्किल, उनका ये जो पॉजिटिविटी क्रिएट करना, एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करना, दैट विल लीव.
Still, I can't believe
our
that
heart,
he has
हाँ.
done suicide.
He has not done suicide, which we think. Let's not talk about much about it. We want CBI justice, but
Yes.
I don't know when this CBI
This will
investigation
happen.
will happen. But we strongly want,
Yes.
right? We want that CBI investigation should be happen.
Should be happening,
And जो भी ये काम किए हैं ना, उन लोगों को फांसी मिलनी चाहिए. Okay, so
Right.
that is it. It is a wonderful trailer we saw today, and it is a 10 on 10 from our
Yes,
side.
and this movie is going to release on 24th July on
24 July.
Hotstar.
या सो ये भी बहुत खराब हुआ कि ये मूवी बिग
हाँ.
स्क्रीन में नहीं आए.
Right, but
तो ड्यू टू दिस सिचुएशन वी कैन
situation also.
अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
I think अगर ये सिचुएशन नहीं होता तो शायद मई में ये मूवी रिलीज हो जाती
Yes.
ऑन बिग स्क्रीन. सो
Yeah.
हमें भी ये था कि हम बिग स्क्रीन में जाकर के देखेंगे, बट
Yes.
अब पॉसिबल हुआ नहीं है तो
हुआ
खैर
नहीं,
चलो.
बट यस नो प्रॉब्लम. विल बी लाइक डाइनली वेटिंग फॉर 24 July,
Yes.
and definitely we will be seeing this movie, and we are hoping that you guys also will see this movie and make this movie super hit.
Yes.
Okay, that's all we can do
Right.
for Sushant Singh Rajput ji. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you have liked today's content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.